Prepare to thrive in the fast-paced, ever-evolving world of digital media and graphic design with the exciting BA in Digital and Graphic Design at Queen Margaret University. In a cutting-edge course which blends creativity with digital technology, you can let your imagination go wild whilst honing your digital skills. Blending a practical and theoretical approach, you'll learn about design principles, user experience, visual communication, and multi-platform storytelling so you can develop attention-grabbing designs for a range of digital media. With our strong industry contacts and focus on careers and innovation, you'll be working on real-world projects, gaining in-demand industry skills, and mixing with a community of creative minds. By combining digital and graphic design, the possibilities for future careers are extensive. From branding to web design, advertising to content creation, and beyond. We'll get you career ready, so you're equipped to excel in a broad range of roles in the creative industries. And if you're keen to start your own design business, our QMU Startup Studio is here to support you. Turn your passion into your profession. Create your future in digital and graphic design at Queen Margaret University, Edinburgh.